LPT. Learn basic plumbing and electrical fixes from YouTube. You'll save hundreds and feel like a wizard when you unclog a drain or replace a switch in minutes. Even if you don't plan to become a DIY expert, knowing how to fix simple things like a leaky faucet, clogged sink, running toilet, or a dead wall outlet can save you time, money, and frustration. Search for your exact problem on YouTube and watch a couple short videos before calling a professional. You'd be surprised how often it's a quick fix with basic tools.